Howdy, my name is Zane Ford. I am going to Chattahoochee Tech. Xcel has helped me make expansions and meet people in different industries, one being welding and some being companies that do welding and mechanics and just house whatever they can. And that's helped me explore jobs and find out what really happens and where I want to go, what I want to do.
Thank you, Xcel Works, for putting together this welding challenge to let the kids compete against each other and see other companies like myself at Strack Incorporated, where we can show opportunities that our industry offer. Companies like Strack and other companies in heavy civil industry have a lot to offer for many different roles in this industry and a lot of great people.
Just want to say again, in case I'm the North Georgia Director for Xcel Strategies. We're a mentoring group that work with young people to help you understand and know about the trades and the opportunities in careers. One way we do that is through these welding competitions, but we do other skills as well. But because you 5 showed up, that makes you a winner already. Just because you got it all the way through, you finished. That's a big challenge. There's a lot of people that'll start things, but getting it finished is a big challenge. First place goes to Fannin County High School, entry number 5. Second place team, Fannin County High School, entry number 4. Third place goes to team number 1 from Harris High School.